Hey friends, this is Andy, and today I'm sharing these delicious baked chickpea nuggets. This is a budget-friendly meatless meal idea that the whole family will love. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce or add them to a salad. Either way, you'll love this easy recipe for your dinner rotation. First, you'll need to shred the zucchini using a food processor or cheese grater and add that zucchini to a kitchen towel. Wrap tightly and squeeze out any excess liquid from the zucchini and then set it aside. Next, you'll add the old-fashioned rolled oats to a food processor and blend until they turn into an oat flour. Add the other ingredients to the food processor, including the chickpeas, the chopped onion, the grated zucchini, broccoli, eggs, cooking oil, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Seal the lid and blend until everything turns into a paste. Now, using a cookie scooper with a spoon, scoop the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Flatten out the shape using the top of a spoon to help resemble traditional nuggets. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Flip the nuggets halfway through, cooking time gently using a fork. Then bake again for the remaining 10 minutes. These chickpea nuggets fill you up and leave you feeling energized, all thanks to the protein from the chickpeas. For more easy family recipes, visit my website at andyan.com.